Okay guys, here's the T-50. I finally finished fixing this plane. Geez, there's so much that was wrong with this plane. I don't know why. Although I think I could have fixed it a lot sooner if I had just kind of just got into it and decided to fix it sooner. I just was kind of lazy and didn't want to fix all of it. But here it is. Just gonna show you guys everything. We've got the ailerons, elevator, the rudder back there. I also got of course, the canopy. Oh, that was the gears. This is the canopy. Canopy still works. The landing gear is hella crooked, but I'm gonna show it to you guys anyway. Just give me a second. Here, watch when I put this plane down. It's like tilting to the it's like tilting to the left. It's pretty bad. But because this is kind of a beater plane, I'm not really worried about it anymore. Perhaps earlier when it was still new I would have worried about it, but not right now. I think I gotta fix this the canopy. I think I glued it too high because now there's this gap in here, but maybe that won't be a problem when I'm flying. Maybe it will, who knows. Then my RC lander's still in there, still balanced, still nice and strong. Just gotta work on flying this thing. So thanks for watching.